I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
And today it's December 10 and we're going to cook chicken broccoli for lunch. We just finished our breakfast and Charles got grits, egg with cheese and bacon. So time for lunch. Let's cook chicken broccoli. Chicken, broccoli. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of broccoli here. I think I'm just going to cook one. Rice or what? I can just cook one, right?
Whatever you think.
One stem. Use this chicken. Maybe just 3/4 of this. It's already sliced. And I'm going to put in the ziploc, the rest in this ziploc. Maybe ano lang siya. Oh, I need to make it half. Hindi siya masyadong madami kasi merong ano sa loob, parang preservative ata eh. Is that preservative, sweetheart? The one that you can see at the bottom of the chicken? There's a pad under that.
It's just to absorb moisture.
Oh, okay. The broccoli, I already washed this with apple cider vinegar. Forgot to cook my rice, my gosh. It can't be no rice. I still have one cup of rice there. And I just transfer them here so that it will be easy for me with every time I cook. Wash our rice. When I was not feeling well, Charles cooked rice and he didn't wipe the bottom of the rice cooker. And oh my gosh, it's making a lot of noise. Because he don't cook rice. Most of the time he's just using the using the boil in a bag. I know. Ready to go. I finished cooking my chicken broccoli, guys. Here. Charan! Yum yum! But I'm still waiting for my rice. I forgot to cook my rice, so it still has 34 minutes, but When it comes to like 15 minutes, it will going to be very fast. So yeah, I'm a bit hungry, but I have to eat my rice. I don't know if Charles is going to eat his chicken broccoli without rice, because that what he normally do. He don't really eat rice and he's still in the shower. So we're finished taking shower. So I'm going to put this in the plate. Oh gosh, my rice is still boiling. So sad. Can't wait. I'm really hungry. I did not eat breakfast this morning. Ta-da! This is my chicken broccoli, guys. Did not have breakfast this morning. I just cooked breakfast for Charles. I did not even drink my coffee. Why are you dressed up? Huh? Why are you smiling? Why are you dressed up? Where are you going? Sweetheart, huh? Huh? Sweetheart, where are you going? You're going somewhere? Dress up, he's going somewhere. He did not let her wife know.
His.
Huh?
Did not let his wife know.
Yeah.
You said did not let her wife.
Oh. Did I always say that? I thought I say his. I forgot to cook the rice and my rice is still boiling.
I don't want rice. As you know, we're this some bacteriostatic solution.
Oh.
The stuff you put in the humidifier water.
Okay. Oh, did I give you the humidifier filter?
I saw the filter on the table out there.
Yeah, I saw it in the box. That's why I bring it out.
I appreciate it.
What did you order? Filter. Pupunta kami ng anong tawag dito? Pupunta kami ng tabing yung camera ko. Pupunta kami ng Lowe's. Kasi sobrang dry na ng ng hangin sa loob ng bahay. Kasi it's very cold, so we're going to buy a filter. Oh no. What are we going to buy, sweetheart? What do you call that? The one that we're going to buy?
Humidifier treatment.
Oh, humidifier treatment. Oh, look at that, sweetheart. There's no more leaves.
Yep.
And so, punta kami there today. Ang lamig. Dapat I supposed to wear a jacket. Yung jacket lang na cotton. Sabi ni Charles, you have to wear a coat because it's cold today. Measuring the car. Wait, are you measuring the car, sweetheart? Huh? He's measuring the car. I don't know what he is going to buy that is so big. He's trying to check if it will gonna fit on the car. Grabing lamig. Why are you measuring the car? Sweetheart? What are you measuring the car?
Just seemed like a good thing to do.
Why? Huh?
Doesn't everybody measure the car before they get in it?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they do.
They don't. Na kami sa Lowe's. Lowe's there. And my husband, can you smile first in front of Lowe's? See, my husband, good smile. Good smile, nice smile. Why there's still a lot of mower outside? It's already cold. No more grass to mow. Oh, I like the, yeah, the red with the glitters. Oh, look at this. This is cute. I like it. That one as well. Is this real? Is that Husband loves big. Okay. Is it the same the one we got last year? What do you call that? Poinsettia. Poinsettia. We got a poinsettia. I want to buy this joy, the big joy. The big joy. Oh wait, sweetheart. They have a lot of ribbons here. This is the same bulb you got. That is the same bulb you got. Same bulb you got. Oh, look, sweetheart. This one is the same our Christmas lights. They will be on sale. Maybe we can wait till later. Let's just wait until they get sale. They're going to sale it again. Yun na guys, pauwi na kami. Going home. I just realized, sweetheart, it's been like over 2 months the last time we went to Starbucks. Before, almost every week you are in Starbucks. Right now it's over a month. At the Starbucks daw si Charles, he missed Starbucks. It's over a month we haven't been in Starbucks. Before, every time he went to grocery, he always stopped by at Starbucks, or if it's we're going out like breakfast or something, we always went to Starbucks. But now, and we are here. Charles got his peppermint mocha peppermint coffee.
Peppermint mocha latte.
Okay.
They only have it at Christmas.
Oh, right. It's really good. I love it.
It's like Ghirardelli and peppermint candy all mixed together.
Yeah. one of our favorite chocolate flavor. Oh wow, there's a lot of birds. You saw that? Finally, we're home. It's dark. Look at our Christmas tree, guys. Charles, don't turn off the light 24/7. And I put the Santa Claus there. Let's put this poinsettia here. I think... Do you think I should put the poinsettia here? There, on the fireplace?
You could do it there, and do it there, you could, I was thinking maybe put it in the kitchen.
Oh, in the table?
Yeah.
There, oops.
Just go,
Oh, okay.
these things have to come in at an angle in these water tanks.
Oh,
This may not be such a good place for it.
why?
Well, this side I've got enough room to get it in, but this side, the only thing that keeps the water from pouring out is these things have to be at an angle when you put them in.
Every time you put it in, I put the other one, then you move a little bit and then just put it back. Because this one here is this really the center of, you know, closer to the room and the living room. What do you want me to put water here?
You need to get treatment.
This one?
Yes, and shake it a little bit, and
You have to mix it with water.
yes. So just look at the instructions. I think it's probably going to tell you like about a capful per gallon. And these are,
Add 2 teaspoon.
and what?
2 teaspoon.
Per gallon?
Yeah. For every 1 gallon of water.
I don't, well,
How many gallons is this?
these are 2 gallons each. I had an old measuring spoon that I used,
I
you
think.
know, that once you use it for this, you can't use it in the kitchen.
Okay. Maybe it's in the garage.
I don't remember seeing it, so I don't think so.
Do you want me to use the which one?
If you don't have enough room, you have to get this little, see that little, it kind of fits in there.
Oh, they're going to.
And that's why I'm saying you have to have plenty of room.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you try to put it in there like this, the water's going to go everywhere. Because the only thing that keeps the water from coming out is putting it in at an angle.
Okay.
50%. But I don't have the hygrometer, so I'm going to have to order one. And I was doing this a little bit hard. I forgot that this thing comes off.
Oh.
It's easy. The easiest thing to do is to take this top off, then slide these filters down,
Oh,
and
okay.
then put the top back on.
So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Nandito na kami sa house and I still going to edit some videos, and thank you guys. See you again on our next vlog. Bye guys.